Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RC Classic Garage. Today is going to be a busy day as we have two car meets to get to. We'll start off by taking the Etype to the Blackswan breakfast car meet, come home, change cars and take the Ferrari to the second car meet of the day. And yeah, we have arrived and parked up at the breakfast meet, which already looks pretty busy. Let's go take a walk around and look at some of the cars. We'll start off with this beautifully restored AC parked next to this very nice Jag XJ6. One that has definitely caught my eye is this beautiful Series 2 Alfa Romeo Spider. Time to head on to the second car show of the day, so we'll take the E-Type home, swap cars and head on down to the Cranleigh Classic car show. So E-Type all parked up, quick switch over into the Ferrari 360 as we take the Ferrari down to Cranleigh for the Cranleigh Classic car show. And here we are parked up in the public car park. Let's head on into the Classic car show. And arriving into the show, we're greeted by this beautifully restored Series 1 E-Type Jaguar. And a good display from the Alfa Romeo Owners Club, starting with this blue Alfa Romeo Montreal. Thanks all for watching another episode of RC Classic Garage for what has really been a busy day, as we have attended 2 car meets in 2 different cars. Please do like and subscribe, and see you all next time.